In this part, we're gonna learn how to use the BPMN Standalone Modeler. What is it for? To diagram offline processes, meaning that the diagrams are uploaded to the application when there is an internet connection. Who is it for? Anybody can use it. It is not necessary to be an Aura Quantic user. How can you get it? It can be downloaded from here, okay, the Aura Quantic website and software. And what are the requirements for its use? Install the program on your computer. So let's have a look at some particularities of the program once we have installed it. So as you can see, I installed it already, and as soon as we install it, we will get a shortcut. So first of all, let's go here and let's create a new process. So create, let's call it demo. Let's add a key. And as you can see, we don't have a diagram here, so we're gonna do it using the standalone modeler. So save and exit. And our new process should be here. Now, if we click on the shortcut, okay, the standalone will open, and then we can create our diagram. So let's create a really simple one. Okay, and now we have save and exit. And I'll save it on the desktop, okay? It's a diagram 1. Save as, and then we can close it. So if we go back to the process we created, the demo, okay, we see that we don't have any diagram, as we mentioned before. So for us to import it, we have to go here. So import. As you can see, we have two options, either import only the diagram or complete class of processes. In this case, we only have a diagram. And then we need to find the process we want to import it to. So demo, obviously we get a warning message, okay? Because if we had a diagram here and we were trying to import another one, it will just delete the previous one. So we need to be careful. In this case, we don't have anything, so import diagram, again the warning, accept. Then we need to select the file. We had it in the desktop. Oh, is it here? It's here. Okay, and then we click on integrate. Close this, proceed, go back. And now we can see our diagram is here, okay? The diagram we just imported could be exported again to the standalone modeler again to be modified. So let's suppose I need to export it. So I go here, and again I have the option to export the complete class of processes or only the diagram. In this case, we only want the diagram, and it's here. Okay. So we have it here downloaded. And now we can open again the standalone modeler. 1 second, because it was open. And we just have to click on open existing. And we'll get this message, open existing. And then we have to find it here. And it's this one, open file. And here we go, we have it again. Okay. Now, we need to take into account that if we go here and instead of not doing anything like we did before, and that's why we could export it, if we actually go into this modeler and save it, we don't even need to change it if we modify it, obviously, but when we save it, then the thing will change and we won't be able to bring it back to the standalone modeler. So let's save it here so you can see it. Okay, save. And now, if I wanted to export the diagram, let's see in the desktop. Now we need to close this one and open it again. Open existing as before, open existing, Then we get this message as before, find it, open file, and we get this message. The format of this diagram can only be opened from Aura Portal Neon. Therefore, with the standalone, we can create a diagram and import it to the class of processes. But if we open the diagram with the Aura Quantic Modeler, we won't be able to open it again with the standalone anymore. As soon as I save the diagram here, the format will change and standalone won't recognize it anymore. Okay? And now it's your turn to do part 7.